Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine on Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge, when you install, it comes with bing.com as your default search engine, but still you can change it in the settings. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. So in here, let's open the Microsoft Edge browser. In here at the top right side you will see three dots, so click on it and go down to settings. In settings you have all these options, so go to privacy, search and services. In here scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on address bar and search. Here you can see search engine used in the address bar, which is Bing, recommended and default. So in here you can click, and with the drop down you can select your favorite search engine. So now you have Yahoo, Google and DuckDuckGo. So you can select anything you like. So let me select Google and that's it. And when you open a tab and search for anything, it will be Google. And if your favorite search engine is missing in the drop down, you can simply add it from here. For that, go to manage search engines. In here click add. Here you can name your search engine and type the URL completely. Once you're done with it, it would be added here, and you can simply click on the three dots and click make default. As you can see, it has changed to Yahoo. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, please drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more videos.